If you have a Harvey table saw, Harvey bandsaw, or even a Harvey lathe, after having that for a while, more than likely you have a question or two or a suggestion or two. In any case, you may have the perfect opportunity to have it heard. I'll explain more right after this. I'm Rick, and this Shut the heck up, you stinking roosters. Now for your sanity. This is The Shack. Hello and welcome back to The Shack. Big news from Harvey. I was sent an email from Harvey with an invitation. The CEO for Harvey is coming here because he wants to hear from you. You heard me right, you. Not me personally, but you, every one of you who have purchased the table saw, the bandsaw, or the lathe. If you've ever wanted to make sure your question, thoughts, or suggestions actually got to somebody other than just the general people, now is your perfect opportunity. I am going to be your go-between. I'm going to be the one that's going to take these to the CEO of Harvey. It isn't till late July sometime. They will contact me as that date gets closer, start setting up days and times. I don't know if it's going to be at the warehouse, if it's going to be at another location, if it's a group setting, one-on-one setting, whatever. I have no idea. But they're asking people who have purchased the product for their input. And that is huge when Harvey itself is coming over here to listen to you. So I have a feeling there's going to be some changes very soon in the future, and we may have a next generation with possibly some of the suggestions. That's huge for a company to actually take that depth of concern and come out here and listen. Not just those big channels with a couple 100,000 million subscribers from us little people, from the individual. That I respect immensely. So in the description, I know nobody looks at it. Everybody's got attention deficit. They watch 1 minute or two of the video, off of something else, and you get these stupid questions like, dude, if you would have watched the video, that question would have been answered. Look in the description. Look down to the very first thing will be my email address. If you want your questions, thoughts, suggestions heard, you have to email me. So I'm going to go through all that. That's all on me. That's all my work. So when I do go to Harvey to talk with the CEO, I have all my information and everything from you the viewer. So if you want to have your voice heard, you and only you can prevent forest fires. No. Only you and only you can be heard if only you email me. I can't make it happen. You have to do that. Email me with the question, with your thoughts, with your suggestions, whatever, and I will tally them all up, collect them all, get everything set up, and take it there to the CEO for you so you can be heard. Understand? You only? So that's the big announcement. Again, this isn't till July. You have plenty of time to think about it. If you've just received your table saw, bandsaw, lathe, whatever, go through the setup process, make some notes. After a few projects, if you have any suggestions, thoughts on your tool, write those down, email me, and I will submit all of them, and I will guarantee you will all be heard. Make sure you are subscribed for updates, and make sure you have that notification bell rung so you're notified when these videos come out with the updates. You and only you can be heard if you and only you email me, so you and only you can have that question, thought, suggestion actually heard by the CEO. Well, we are done. Thanks again for watching. Be blessed. Take back Shack for your sanity. I probably should do that to the CEO. Probably freak him out. Anyway, remember, email me if you want your voice to be heard. Thanks again for watching. We will see you next video. CEO coming to hear you. Oh yeah.